Hello, this is the independent practice for modeling and the guided practice that had previously been noted. Here we are still adding money. You are going to use your number line as a support. I have also included some things to note when adding here. You must regroup if you have over 9 in one place value. So for example, here we have 8 plus 3. So we will go to the next place value. Remember your decimal for the final answer, and a dollar sign is also needed for the final answer since we are dealing with money. So the first problem is you have a teddy bear and you also have some games that you are purchasing. So find the correct answer for this. Next, you can use your number line again, and there's also the helpful hints up here. So we have $4.11 for a toy car and $7.65 for a Barbie. So find the correct answer. Next, we have a robot for $2.05 and a Minion doll for $8.11. You can use your number line for this. If you wanted to find what 5 plus 1 was, we would start at the number 5 and move up 1. Continue to do that for the rest of the problem and move on with the next problem when you're ready. Alright, the next thing will be that you are adding blocks, and you also decide to buy a goldfish at the store. A helpful hint would be to use your number line. So starting at 5, we might count up 3. 1, 2, 3. That would give us 8. Continue to do this for the rest of the problem, and don't forget your decimal point and money sign. Lastly, we have a wagon and a top. The top is $6.10 and the wagon is $7.42. So we will continue to use our number line if needed. You can also remember that when we need to regroup, this includes when we are over the number 9, when we have added, we will go to the next place value. All right, finish those up and we will see how you did. Thanks.